My name is Amit Bhatia, and I'm the founder and CEO of Aspire Impact and Aspire Circle, twin initiatives in India for impact leadership and ecosystem development. I'm also an advisor to the Avishkar Group, India's #1 impact investment platform. Our theme this year is an entrepreneurial renaissance, designing an impact economy. I'm delighted to kick off this Impact Renaissance week and will share a quick 2-minute story with you every day. In a cold January of 1417, a young Italian scholar, Poggio Bracciolini, made a fascinating discovery in a German monastery, which would warm the hearts of an entire continent. This young scholar, who worked for 7 different popes, was fond of manuscript hunting, and he stumbled upon the last surviving work of the Roman philosopher Lucretius. This manuscript of a Latin poem of 7,400 lines, De Rerum Natura, or On the Nature of Things, contained progressive thoughts on the very nature of human beings, on the soul and body, on microscopic particles, atoms in ceaseless motion, and it depicted a world free from religious fear and superstition. It sparked great interest and thought, and several scholars contend that this single act may have been the birth of the Renaissance. The poem's influence on Western thought is unquestionable. The Pulitzer Prize-winning 2011 book, The Swerve: How the World Became Modern by Stephen Greenblatt, is a narrative of this very discovery. When in 1450, Johannes Gutenberg finally managed a breakthrough invention when he revolutionized printing with the world's first printing press, the poem was soon printed and widely circulated. The 15th century saw many such inventions and came to be known as a period of rebirth and rediscovery of art and science as the Renaissance. Last year, the world celebrated 500 years of Leonardo da Vinci, the inimitable polymath of the Renaissance. The Renaissance reinforced that human beings are the ultimate source of value creation, or as the Greek philosopher Protagoras would put it, man is a measure of all things. History in future will see this current period, our lives, as center of another renaissance, the impact renaissance, where mankind is rising to reset capitalism, reinvent the purpose of capital, and redirect the course of climate and social injustices. With this in mind, we at Aspire Impact have created the Impact Future Project, a thought leadership platform designed to enable and inform this critical period of reckoning. We are bringing together 300 leaders in 10 impact communities to rethink how corporations can catalyze the impact movement in India, preparing for an era of impact accounting and to compete in the global impact economy. The coming decade is the decade of action, and we are all impact actors. Let's listen to 25 great actors of this impact renaissance.